me ask you another question. You want the money or you want something else? So this little brother, he come out here early. I tell him, hey, come cut my grass. He come cut my grass. Of course, I pay him and stuff like that, but I'm gonna surprise him with a little something. Just stay tuned. Peace. Yo, so I'm offering my neighbor a chance to get this e-bike from Cyrusher, and he comes out, he cuts my grass, good kid, and so I'm like, I'm gonna offer him a chance to win a mystery prize or take the money, which I pay him $60 to cut my grass. So I'm gonna see what he's gonna say. The Cyrusher e-bike is super cool. It's actually very, very fast, and it has a couple of different modes. So you can pedal like a traditional bike, but you can also hit the throttle and let it take off. So it's perfect for short commutes. Very perfect or very practical for any kid in college who's trying to get across campus. And I wish I had one of these when I was in school. That'd save me a lot of time. Now, one thing I will say, there's 5 different speeds that you can program the bike to or set it to. And with these 5 speeds, it limits the power that the electronic motor takes over. So right now I'm on 3, but I can crank it up to 5. And right now I'm at 25 miles an hour. But you can get it up to 35, and there's also ways or hacks where you can get it even higher. It's very comfortable. Let me turn this back down. We're going kind of fast. It's very comfortable, and it comes with a light and a rack for you to put luggage on. There are accessories that comes with it that you can buy for an additional price, but for what you get out of the box, you can't beat it, honestly. Definitely cannot beat it. So if you're going to a campground or something, this would be a perfect bike to bring with you. To be honest, to go biking or whatever the case may be. So the bike that I'm on is more of a commuter bike, but they have different ones that's more specified to mountain biking and things like that. But like I said before, you truly cannot beat the price. And you cannot beat, I mean, it's cool. It's cool. A lot of people stop and ask me like, what is that? How is it going? Does it have a motor on it? And I'm like, yeah, it's an electronic motor. And it charges up pretty fast. Now, one thing that I would add to this, honestly, is some rear view mirrors or side view mirrors, because the amount of speed that you can get this bike up to, you want to be able to look left and right and see what's behind you, because it'll be really tough to kind of turn your head all the way around. And it's just more practical and practical. Battery on the bike lasts pretty long. Trying to hit me. The battery on the bike lasts pretty long, and it also is contingent on how fast you're going as well. But I keep it on 5, and you're supposed to get a range of about 80 miles, roughly 80 miles. There's also an LED screen that shows the speed, how fast you're going, the odometer, and the light. So let's go ahead and pull up on my guys. Oh my boy. Working hard for the money. You got any advice for any young people trying to make money?
Just do it.
Just do it.
Yep.
Just do what though? What if they don't know what to do?
Like whatever you put your mind to, you can do it, no matter what. Like having money at a young age, feel good having money at a young age. You don't gotta rely on your parents to buy nothing.
Let me ask you another question. You want the money or you want something else? It's a mystery bag.
Money.
You want the money?
Yeah.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Y'all hear that, huh? Say he want the money. He ain't want the mystery bag. No, I can't tell you what. That's the thing. I can't tell you what's in a mystery bag. You just gotta. That's life. It's a chance. It could be a bag of Skittles. I don't know. Y'all heard him though. That was a mystery bag right there.
Bro. Dude. You know, when I thought you was saying mystery bag, I thought you was like something different.
That's the mystery bag right there, man.
I knew it was gonna be that. I told him, he was like, watch it be that bike. Bruh.
You said you wanted the money though, dog.
I knew. Guess what the mystery bag was? Bruh.
Look, come here. I told him, I said, man, look. You want the money or you want the mystery prize? He said, I want the money. I said, you sure? He said, yeah, I'm gonna take the money. I said, all right. It just sits in my garage, man. It don't do nothing. Look at him, y'all. Look at him. Now he's sick. You want it?
Yeah, I wanted it.
You no, I'm asking you now. Do you still want it?
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah, I mean, I'm asking. Do you still want it?
Yeah.
Or we gonna work something out? We gonna work something out. All right.
Yup.
We're gonna handshake on. We're gonna work something out. Gonna work something out. Nah, it ain't gonna be easy. I had a chance to give it to him the easy way. Now he gonna have to work for it. So the moral of the story is, take chances. You never know what could be the outcome. Peace.